Hi, this is Nikki Black coming with a video here on the liver detox that I've done many times. This liver detox do contain valuable uh, vegetables and fruits, basil, which is a great antioxidant and is also an anti-inflammatory herb. Also have beets, good for the blood pressure. Also gives you that good energy. When I took this drink, I definitely had energy when I drunk this drink. Spinach, of course, good for diabetes, lowering your blood pressure. You also have your cucumbers in there, celery, your apples. All this is also good for your digestive system, for the liver, help flush everything out. It also includes ginger and lemon. Now, the liver is one of our main organs that is a good filter. Basically, it also helps break down the food that we intake and also help filter it. So we have to make sure that our liver is kept flushed. So these juicing and liver detoxes is great for the liver. Peace and thank you for tuning in. Nikki Black.